This conversation begins at a bus station, where a man and a woman start talking while waiting for their buses.
Hi, is this where bus 10 stops?
Yeah, it is. I'm waiting for it too. Are you new here?
Yeah, I just moved here last week.
Oh, welcome. How are you finding the city so far?
It's a bit confusing, but I'm getting used to it.
I felt the same at first. Where do you live now?
Near the market. It's always busy there.
Oh, I know that area. Lots of shops, right?
Yes, and so many people. Do you live nearby?
Just a short walk from here. It's quiet, which I like.
That's nice. Do you take this bus every day?
Most mornings. What about you? Are you going to work?
Not yet. I'm still looking for a job.
Oh, I see. What kind of work are you hoping to find?
Maybe something in a shop or office. What do you do?
I work in a clothing store downtown. It keeps me busy.
That sounds nice. Do you enjoy it?
It's not bad. I meet a lot of people. Do you speak English at work?
I'm still learning, but I try. Do you think my English is okay?
You're doing great. Did you learn by yourself?
Mostly, and I watch a lot of English videos.
Same here. Watching videos really helped me too.
Do you speak any other languages?
Just a bit of Spanish. Do you?
Only my native language and some English.
That's already good. Are you practicing every day?
I try to. Do you read books in English too?
Yes, but only short ones. They're easier to understand.
Good idea. I should try that.
Start small. You'll get better with time.
Have you lived here long?
All my life. What made you move here?
Just wanted a change. And maybe a fresh start.
That makes sense. It's a good city for that.
Do you have friends here?
A few, yes. Do you know anyone yet?
Not really. It's a bit lonely at first.
I understand, but it gets better. People here are friendly.
I hope I meet some nice ones soon.
You will. Like today, we already meet.
That's true. So, what do you usually do after work?
I go home, make dinner, and relax. What about you?
Lately, I've just been exploring the city.
That's fun. Have you found any favorite places?
Not yet. Still checking things out. Do you have any suggestions?
The city park is nice in the evenings.
I might go there tomorrow. Do you go often?
Yeah, I take a walk there almost every day.
It's very peaceful. Do you walk alone?
Sometimes. Or with a friend if someone's free.
I like quiet walks too. Helps clear the mind.
Same here. It helps me relax after work.
Do you like movies?
Love them. You?
Me too. I watch a lot of comedies.
They're the best for lifting your mood.
Do you go to the cinema or watch at home?
Mostly at home. What about you?
Same. Watching on the phone is just easier.
True. And cheaper too.
Do you cook often?
Yes, most days. Do you?
I'm learning. Can't cook much yet.
That's okay. Everyone starts somewhere.
I can make rice and eggs.
That's a good start. Do you like cooking?
Yes. What's your favorite dish to make?
Probably chicken curry. Simple but tasty.
Nice. I would love to try that one day.
You should. It's not too hard.
Do you ever eat out?
Yeah, maybe once a week. You?
I haven't tried much local food yet.
You should. Want me to recommend a place?
Yes, please.
There's a small place near the bus stop. It's great.
I'll check it out. Thanks.
You'll like it.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually clean, do laundry, and rest. You?
Same. I try to catch up on sleep too.
Weekends are perfect for that.
Do you have any hobbies?
I like reading and music. What about you?
I listen to music every day.
What kind of music?
Soft and calm songs.
Same here. It relaxes me.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat. Her name is Luna. Do you like animals?
I do. I had a dog when I was a kid.
That's sweet. Dogs are loyal.
Do you visit your family often?
Yeah, once a month. You?
Mine lives far away, so we mostly call.
As long as you stay in touch, that's what matters.
Do you use social media much?
Not really. I prefer meeting people in person. What about you?
I use it sometimes, but I'm trying to cut down.
That's a smart move. It can waste a lot of time.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30. I like to have some quiet time before work.
Wow, that's early. I usually get up at 7:30.
That's still a good time.